Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bamboo Studio could not sync with cloud error, login and connection fix guide. Fix 1. Re-authenticate your Bamboo Lab account. Open Bamboo Studio and click your profile/avatar in the top left corner. Now select Sign Out, then close Bamboo Studio completely and wait a few seconds. Then reopen the application and sign in again. If you normally use sign in with Google or Apple, try signing in with your Bamboo Lab email address and password instead, as this had resolved sync issues for some users. Fix 2. Update the preset package. Open Settings or Preferences in Bamboo Studio. Now go to the System tab. From there, click Update Preset Package and wait for the latest printer and filament presets to download, then restart Bamboo Studio. Fix 3. Refresh your network and security settings. Make sure your computer's date and time are set to update automatically. On Windows, update your root certificates by opening Command Prompt as administrator and running the following code shown on screen. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable the temporary and try syncing again. VPNs can interfere with Bamboo Labs cloud connection. Fix 4. Clear the local Bamboo Studio cache. Close Bamboo Studio completely, then press Windows plus R and type %app data % and press enter. Now locate the Bamboo Studio folder. If you have custom filament or printer profiles, back up the user folder first. Then delete the Bamboo Studio folder and restart Bamboo Studio and sign in again so it can rebuild a fresh configuration. Fix 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus and test the sync. If syncing works, add Bamboo Studio and its installation folder to your firewall or antivirus allow list. If you are using your own router, make sure features like AP isolation are disabled so the printer can communicate properly over your local network. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.